Okay, so today gagawa tayo ng tutorial about creating this kind of PowerPoint slide. So basically yung mga ganitong PowerPoint presentation is makakita kayo using After Effects, but those are in video forms. Okay? So ngayon, what if those kind of effects is pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa PowerPoint presentation nyo, and at the same time, you can control it kung kailan nyo siya gustong pumasok sa inyong PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here meron tayong isang slide na yung using motions. Okay, so gagawin natin is gawa tayo ng bagong slide. Insert new slide. Let's delete all these necessary boxes. Tapos, insert tayo ng ating text. Okay, so let's type in. Tapos let's change the font to salaryman. So basically, yan lang kasing ginagamit kong font. Tapos let's change the font. Looks great. Okay na sa akin yung 96. Tapos, let's change the color. So, since meron akong pre-picked na na mga colors, so it depends on your preferences na naman yan. Okay, so let's copy it, create a new one, and then change the text. Okay, so let's change the font. Let's change the color to black. Tapos, let's rearrange it. Let's just put it in the center. Okay. So, pwede nyo gamitin ng inyong arrow keys to adjust smaller movements. Okay, so meron na tayong text. Tapos, ilagay naman natin is yung word na channel. So, gawa ulit tayo. Tapos, let's put the word channel. Change the font to salaryman. Oops. Okay, so change this font size. Okay, so okay na ako dyan. So adjust na lang natin using tabs and center it. Okay, so center natin. Okay, so it looks great. Ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin is maglalagay tayo ng animations. Okay. Okay, so lalagay naman nating animation dito for the first word is fly in, and then papalitan natin ng ating effect options going from left. Tapos change natin yung animation nitong another word natin. So fly in pa rin, and then let's put it from right. Tapos ito naman excuse me, channel. So fly in pa rin. Okay na yan, from the bottom. Ngayon, papalitan lang natin siya. So, itong ating mga text is gagawin natin with previews, and i-delay natin itong ating channel ng 1 second. Ang ating another word na henyo is i-delay natin ng 0.5, 0.1 rather. Oops. Delay natin na 0.5. Tapos palitan natin yung duration to 1 second. And ang ating gustuhin nyo naman, palitan natin duration na 1 second din. Tapos, palitan natin ng ating effect options. Gawin natin smooth end. Ang ating another word, gawin natin smooth end. Isang ating word na channel, gawin natin smooth end 5 din. Okay. So, let's play. All. Okay. So, ang gagawin naman natin is i-mask natin yung mga unnecessary animation paths. So, lahat ng mga movements niya from all sides kung saan man siya nag-enter. So, kailangan matago natin siya pagpasok niya sa frame natin. Okay. So, that comes in, that's being said, papasok ang ating idea na masking. Okay? So, what is masking? So, basically, tatakpan lang natin lahat ng mga paths niya. So, let's create a box. So, our shape box. So, yan, adjust natin. Kailangan matatakpan yung ating text. Tapos, tanggalin natin yung kanyang outline. Okay, so makikita nyo. Okay, so yung word na channel, okay na siya. So, yung unnecessary path niya, natakpan na natin. So, yung color fill natin, hindi muna natin papalitan. So, para lang makita yung idea ng masking. Tapos, gawa naman tayo ng another one. Gawa tayo ng another box. Okay, so gawa tayo ng another box. Tapos, gawa tayo ng another shape. Susubtract lang natin siya. Okay, so para madaling makita, palitan natin yung shape fill natin. Gawin natin hello. And let's remove the outline. So, no outline. This one, no outline din. Okay, so okay na siya. Ngayon, subtract lang natin siya. So, let's click this one and this another shape. Tapos, click subtract. Okay, so looks great. So, kailangan lang natin matakpan yung buong word na henyo. So, let's send this to back. Tapos, send din natin ang ating word na henyo at ang ating word na kabsu. Send natin to back. Okay, so, kung makikita nyo, yun yung idea ng ating masking. Okay, so, kailangan matago natin yung buong word na henyo. Okay, so ngayon, maglalagay naman tayo ng animation dito kay yellow shape box natin. So ganito nga gawin natin. So, ang animation naman natin na ilalagay ay motion. Okay, so basically that's our motion. Ngayon, I want our motion to go to right. Okay, so ayan yung ating animation. Okay, so meron na tayong animation ni ating yellow shaped box. Tapos, ilipat lang natin siya just right below the word kabsu. And let's click it with previews. Gawin natin duration is 1. Delay natin ng 0.5. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so ngayon, gagawin naman natin is i-adjust natin yung motion niya kung hanggang saan. So I want it basically away from my frame. So, and as long as importante is makita lang yung buong word na henyo. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so it works. Ngayon punta naman natin yung masking ni word na kabsu. So ganun ulit, lalagay tayo ng shape. Basically, filling the word na kabsu. So ayan, tapos ilagay lang natin mga bandang half. So, basta may element of surprise lang. Tapos, change natin yung fill to, let's say, red. And let's remove the outline. Tapos, ganun ulit. Tanggalin na, lalagyan natin ng ng animation with motion path na line ulit. But this time, going to left. Okay, tapos adjust natin siya. Basically, yung makikita lang yung buong word na Habsu. Okay? Okay, tapos ilalagay naman natin siya so adjust naman natin itong ating alignment. So, punta na, lagay natin si channel dito, adjust natin si ating shape, red shape dito. Tapos gagawin nating duration is 1 minute. Okay, so let's try. Oops, adjust muna natin yung start with previews. Okay, so ito is gawin natin 0, enter, tapos ito is gawin natin 1. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so looks great. So ngayon, papalitan naman natin yung mga colors natin, ng ating mga shapes. Papalitan natin ng shape fill. So gawin natin white. Okay, so let's try. Tapos lipat natin ang ating just send this one to front. So okay, looks going great so far. Okay, so last is adjust na lang natin ng ating mga shapes. So adjust natin. So let's play all. Okay, so it's going great. Ngayon, for some finishing touches, I'm still not okay with the word Kabsu. So, ganito nga gawin natin. So, kailangan lang natin is i-adjust natin yung, so let's just bring this one to front. Let's bring this shape to front. Okay, so, and then, select natin ang ating previous text na channel, tapos yung kanyang shape. Let's bring this one to front, and then let's try it. Okay, so far, okay na ako. So that's it. So that's how you create another, PowerPoint slide na may ganitong animation. Oops, okay. So let's bring this one to front. Okay, so let's play. Okay, so ganyan. With the idea of masking, so ganyan kung paano gumawa ng gantong animation sa PowerPoint slide.